it's my goal to speak about waveforms without showing a single waveform. When I was asked to give this topic, I thought maybe I misunderstood the assignment, but what I'm going to try to tell you is that we're at a really interesting inflection point. And this is a slide from basically all the accomplishments that have been made in neuromodulation, and probably you could always consider it out of date because there's things happening every day. But you can see from very basic systems to systems that have multiple contacts, expansion of frequency and novel waveforms, we've made tremendous strides in SCS. And just to really highlight what we have as options today, right? I mean, our fellows in our training program constantly ask the eternal question is, how do you pick which device you're going to use, let alone which waveform?